from any screen. We just click menu, and it's bringing up, it's on the phone menu there, missed calls, receive, phone book, Bluetooth, phone settings. So we want to go to Bluetooth, select Bluetooth by pressing the button, and then you've got connect phone and remove phone. Remove phone. That one's highlighted, just click on that. Do you really want to remove Andrea's phone? Yes and no. So yes, and there, that's my phone. Select remove. Do you want to remove it? Yes. If you don't want to remove it, if you've made a mistake, you press exit there. Otherwise you just press the button here. Do you really want to remove it? Yes. That's it done.